Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome back to all computer classes students. This is part 10 of chapter 13, right? So we have reached to the last topic of chapter 13, that is advanced features of MS Excel. Under this topic we will be learning about sorting data and filtering data, right? So when we enter a huge amount of data in Excel sheets, so obviously these two tools will be very helpful, sorting and filtering. So let's learn about it. Sorting means arranging the given data according to particular field, right? So notice particular field. Field means the name of the columns that we will be giving, right? In some column we will be writing marks, names, percentage, right? So we want to sort, right? Sort means arrange. Arrange in which order? Ascending or descending, right? So ascending means from small to large, descending means from large to small, right? So we will be sorting data ascending or descending order according to the particular field, right? And what is filtering? Filtering feature allow us to see only those records that we want to see, while it hides away the rest of the data temporarily from the view. What does it mean? It means, for example, you have got test marks, right? In that list, the marks of all the students has been entered, and you want to see students who has scored above 90. So it will show you only the data of students who has scored more than 90% or 90 marks. Right? So rest of the data it will hide. So let's see how sorting and filtering works practically, right? Now you see this is a table in front of us and we want to sort the data, right? Sorting means arranging. Now the first action is I will select the table, right? I'll select the table. I have included the headings of the table. Notice this. Right, now I'll go in the data tab and here I have sort and filter group. In this group I will click on sort option and you see this table I will get. Now here if I check this button, this is my data has headers. So my data has header, so if it is checked it will not include the heads, and if it is unchecked it will include the checks. So I don't want to include the headings of my table in the sorting, so I'll check it. So it will not start the sorting from this row, right? Now you see we have got three boxes here. First one is column, second is sort on, and third is order, right? Now when we click on this drop down menu, it will ask us you want to sort which column. So I want to sort the English column. Now I'll choose the English column, right? My column name is English. I want to perform the sorting according to this. On, it will work on values written in the English column. Now in which order I want to sort, small to large or large to small. So I want to sort according to the largest to smallest. So students, it will show me sorted list according to the English highest marks to the smallest mark. Now I'll click OK. So you see Niharika has got highest marks 94, then Rudransh has got, then Drishti 77, and least Anushka has got 34. So this is how we perform the sorting. Now you see this serial number has changed the order. Why? Because it has brought up at the top the student who has got highest marks in the English. This list is sorted according to the English marks only, right? Rest of the marks have not been sorted. So this is the main reference column, right? I hope you have understood the sorting. Now next is filters, right? So we have table in front of us. Now we want to perform filtering. So select any cell, any column head, and come here in data, and here we have filter button. Now click on the filter button. You notice that small arrow gets added to each field name, right? So these arrows are used to filter the data, right? Filtering means to see what we want to see at present. Now, for example, you choose any filter. For example, I choose English. Now you see we get this selected list here. So I will remove this, select all. Now I will choose student who has got 57 marks. 57 and 56. So I'll click OK. So it is displaying two students who has got English marks 57 and 56, right? This filtering has been performed according to the English, right? Now you see serial number 4 and 8 has been chosen. So this is how we perform the filtering. Now if you want to remove the filter, you just click back on the filter button. So filter will be removed, right? So students, I hope you have understood how sorting and filtering works. Tomorrow we will start the 14th chapter, that is last chapter of the MS Excel, and we will learn more about MS Excel. So take very good care of yourself, and goodbye. God bless you all.